Omu of Okpanam Palace.
Where they come build it? Where you come build it?
Then we do go. So he knows me. He knows me better. That's why the big fight. Living at that.
No way she.
Gloria, whose one is not here?
Mama.
Before you go, you must go there for the yakum. Marisia,
I'm a wish.
Okay, come my tie. Hey, Tata kwa kaze. Akwaga mambono.
No wish.
Wish mo na yi. No ano.
Very nice mommy.
If I'm way, Bona, Panama, one was so until what one.
You see,
also probably 30-50 years. What they get to
Huh?
come up to you, you don't come. I know.
I don't know people will come in house. Oh, what's his one? Socio-cultural organization. That organization I was telling you for 29, 38 in Okpanam. This is the president. Oh yeah, people know you like to lose money.
What's that I know you?
Before you talk about the introduction.
Yeah, first of all, Omu Otofe. Make it a great because he basically knew. When he bad in the day, my bed.
You see,
may you rest in peace. People coming for you. This is my mother. Yes. From Okpanam.
Yes. Chukwuemeka Kogolo. Onye ọnụ Chigbo ka so emana onwe if I name I am abia luo no dalo.
Management bo Osai Onyamala F4 Ibe. On the Chokwane Commissioner in local West local government. In a fast call.
You know that one. You know that one.
Okay, you know me. I would have said I wanted to tell you that no one need Cambo. Makanebe and I can know all you do, Kobo. A peacemaker. Oh, PhD, the conflict resolution bonnet. Two warring factions there together. She can mediate in it and ensure that there is peace between those two factions. This is the role she has been playing that I know her for, and that's what she also knew me for. So it's a privilege for me to be here. It's also a very emotional moment for me being here, because she's not just active physically, even online. To wage any battle, she will settle down. You just see that she's typing. It can take 30 minutes. She's typing until she drops that comment. So I know her. I never met her. My name is Omu of Okpanam, and I am happy to be here. I'm the publisher of Anioma and a Cultural Forum. We are all in this movement together with our mommy here. Thank you, sir.
Oh, my brother, I greet everybody. I am Kingsley Ifeanyi Chonogo from Okwane. I'm also a member of the same group. So I extend my condolence. It shall not happen again. Thank you very much.
video me council and Asusu Bang. Fambo Osai Magnus Onyekachukwu. I'm from Nshini Ogumebia, Umuchimo Ogumeko Nshinibia, Ogumedi Ndokwa West Local Government Area, Delta State, soon to be Anioma State. My condolences to condolence. One of the money Bob and honor. I know Governor Aganelo Tom. All on Chomo line. Kadia, I know. After work on face to face, man, I'm not make up Maka. If you channel about ya, Major Chan for OJC. Omu Bezibunle. Omu Beshi.
Delta State, I think I not chat on Facebook, not so many things, you know. But nevertheless, I want money. Also, Obuna Toledo, the other one day, but not than care than they care about. You more feeling no Maria, come and give my other. Kayama Buruguzo, walk over Pereke, or Boemegi, Shike, Garafunge, Eden Wayo. but nne ga-emego gị na ihe esi ike ma ọsọ gị ma
onwe ife ga-eme ka mụ na nne bụrụ ofu
ya nwa ihe na-ekwu ya nwa bụ nwanne ọ dị nwayọ enego mme anya fụ na ọ dị nwayọ mmadụ nwee ike ịzọrọ ọkpa ite onye agaba
training bụ military training asụfụ nwa
daalụ nna ebere ofu nwa maka ịnụ ha na nwaanyị na fọsọ shooting ihe eme ya ụmụ ịtọ ofu nwaanyị ụmụ nwoke Igbo.
And you know the funniest thing? Na-abịa ụwa to him the baby nwunye kwunaka carbon copy mụkwụ ya ma isi ya ma anya ya ma mkpịsị aka ya. Look, that's why once come for ya mụ agbapụ ọsọ away from one. Because before the child was born, Nebia put him HRM the naming ceremony. So same now for the baby bo onye bechi. Well chief we. Go the we're coming from somewhere say, that they sent me a message that the baby's name is Onyemechi. And I didn't know Une's middle name was Onyemechi. I've never heard it before. You understand me? So that she's coming, yes. No, you understand me? So, thank God. Check this building. It's so unfortunate.
Because of this thing.
Everyone was saying. So I was thinking you were going to say it's a church hand. It's hand. Okay.
In the process of opening.
Was I doing?
In short talk, because no palace. No more my baby. To call my baby. Or someone or someone. Or some them banning on someone or my dane. I live in good mama. Leave is a good name. I have a baby when I die, a juggle grid and not baby to good many. As soon as for in the bill, to quite a mechanic in the Gwename. The ones open, I make a watch kitchen. You saw something. And I black wood one never half and Dr. Farm when you made them in my borrow. Man, make me an audio no, or some band as a chukwa bemi, or some modern Anioma, can them settling mother. No far from Anya. But if I never mayor. I came where we came where body. Only need Roger the body, Ishak with the blue. Only Kuni for the body, Ishak with the blue. All banning me at Tafo Bano Quack Quando so. Mommy, they made the 4 joy before you look on wine. They made the 4 joy before you look on wine. Onye were faji tine bread tie fa issue ya kunu wudi. Okwo ji je kunu ji chi. Oba no okwo anyo so. Ndo na akpa isu. God na akpa isu. Osancha ndi beni sweet keu. Ego ni nwa o. Kani mo mo ahie duani na je fo make you. Ila kum de pe kim de posa Anioma o. Anioma state na Ghana ni o. Make me never or send them one or ancestor or sanze. Anyone will you marry can you if I want you for money.
What a leader of
yes, small. Small man. The moment I want you ship it ain't go well.
You know when now say one way one small. Now so small. Yeah,
Ikpo.
Ebe meet you, yeah.
Yo by manya.
Mana mari kwa se tie. Yeah.
Yo by
Ya gwana no ki esi tie, no ki esi tie. Ka pele la ma.
Uyo kam si manu.
It's okay. This one is like a sterilizer.
So we do for the Anioma say. Any bundi jenu.
I didn't go to represent.
Why is that for him? Is that with power? Plenty of Tena with power.
I want to take a
Tena with power. No, don't stay. There's no position. You say for that place. Power. Power. You give it 9.
Indian greatest. This is public hearing for House of Rep.
Okay, now mighty. That will be fun.
Hearing for House of Rep.
So yeah, that's one to get my whole screen commander. Is it on? What makes Apele very unique is that we don't just blow it to praise. We also use it as an instrument of war.
Communication.
We use it to communicate during war. Apele, I'm talking of Apele. Apele Kiji Naka, I want to use it.
Not this one for war.
No, not the one, not the sound you blow.
Okay.
We don't use it to fight, we use it to communicate during war. Apele.
I'm telling you, this is not the one for war.
Which one?
We call that one. Offering.
Okay.
Opiano.
No, that was Poppy. Poppy DJ.
Piano, I mean.
Poppy DJ. Apele. Apele DJ. Oja DJ.
Look at Oja.
Amarinye kwa afa. Kopo matu.
Ana this small.
Okay, ka matu tu inu ke washane marinye ma gwe. Asina Apele toke dike. Apele toke dike. O to le ba no popo mi. Apele gwa je to dike o je jo. Apele ka je agwa ndi aye ofu aboku. Ndi ane we no another place. Ya ma marinye ekwu. Apele gwa je ekwu adu ekwu okwu no no. Ige kudo okwu no no egbu e na oja. Mgbu Apele witaka m.
Power.
Aka ọbụ Apele wee ji achị ibewe wee jaa ya. Apele ka iji n'aka eji n'ọja eji n'opi.
Opi nke anụ eshi.
Apele ka eji eja ya ọ bụ n'opi. Opi ekwupu. Opi ekwupu. Ọnwụ bụ melody. Mana Apele, you can make any sound and mimic any bird with Apele. So Apele is very important in our traditional.
Wako.
I eji Apele n'egwu.
Mwa.
I'm going to get a pick on it for
Power.
I'm going to get a pick on
As we are now.
Oh, Kanye.
Power. Power.
Alright, let's go now.
Ogu.
Almighty, let's go.
Ogu. Ike. Ike akarịa. Ọchịkọligbo. Ọchịkọligbo ọnụ. Ọchịkọligbo ọnụ. Ọchịkọligbo ọnụ. Ọchịkọligbo ọnụ worldwide.
Number one.
Power. Power.
The number one.
Power. Power.
Ofu ya nwere na Anioma.
Power.
Onye mgbama n'afọ
Hey. Mkpalago. Mkpalago.
Onye musu n'afọ buru ọsọ.
Mkpalago.
Onye
Mkpalago.
etu ogumagara na-akụ ese.
Power.
Etu ogumagara na mmiri anụ.
Ọgụ.
Ndị ogumagara na egwu.
Ọgụ.
Etu ogumagara na amịtọ ọnụkpa.
Ọgụ.
Onye ogumagara na-agba n'ọsọ.
Ọgụ.
Onye ike bụ ebu.
Ọgụ.
Onye arọ.
Ọgụ. Ọgụ.
Ndị Benin na-agbara ọsọ.
Power. Power.
Amụsị ndị Benin fụrụ m wee sụọ isi n'ala.
Hey.
Agụ na-eche mba.
Ayi.
Agụ na-eche mba.
Ayi.
Ọ dị efere.
Power. Ọgụ.
Onye na-ekwu?
Hey. Ọmụ ogbu echi. Ọmụ ogbu echi. Ọmụ ogbu echi. Ọmụ ogbu echi.
Almighty. You can make him walk out.
Ọmụ ogbu echi.
My mommy they like it too that they do it.
Power. Nne nọdụ ọfụma. Daalụ. Tata bụ mbọsị ọmụ.
I'm telling you.
Eke.
Hey.
Ayi.
Afam. See you. I'll see you.